guy too funny. Look at him.
Yes, I can see.
See him.
Hey. Sorry. Message. Oh my God.
Oh, give me.
Babe, I just got admission into the university.
I talk him.
Hey.
I talk him now. No, is that way you know if you pass? You a smart babe now. Oh. You fine. You get sense. You sabi book. Wait till you remain. Wait till you remain, Jetta.
Thank you.
Hey.
Yeah, I'll go to school. Hey, good.
Okay. Ogini.
Obin, I'm happy, but what about the money?
Hey.
Obin, we don't have money. How will we pay for tuition and...
Leave money matter. You don't do the hardest part. We be to pass the exam. You go to school, no worry. Leave.
It's easy for you to say. What if I can't go?
Which will be what if I can't go? Now they tell you say you go. Anything what I fit do to make sure say you go that school, you go. Because I go double my hustle. I go triple my hustle. Anything. Not be money go stop you from going to school.
Obin, I don't want you to start overworking yourself because of me.
That school, you go. Come, Joe.
You always have a way of lifting my spirit.
I love you that too. I love you so much.
I love you. Hey, I'll go to school.
Don't worry, you go.
Madam, now the 1.5 food be this.
Naim, my sister. Naim.
It's small. You for add small rice for me.
Make
now,
I add weight. Tipe not reach your side. I mean, make I carry the full cooler give you. Ha. Oh wow.
Even at that, it's still too small.
Madam, take one bag
small
of rice
rice,
now 115,000. So nothing small there.
Wow, we go still survive this.
We go survive am.
Well,
We go survive am. Okay, you not buy bottle water. You go just come, your honor to come here chop. You not go buy water. Go market, go price bag of rice and make you come tell me how much it be. Now imagine say this food choke you for road. How you go do am?
No worry, I dey okay. I no go die.
How
Six
should I
more
die?
rice for me. Six more rice.
Even tomatoes now na Kingsway.
One bag
Good
of-
afternoon, Oga.
Food still there?
Fruits dey, rice dey.
You get egg?
Egg dey, but one egg now na 450. Egg don cost.
Wow. Fish there?
Fish dey. So how much you make I dey sell am? Abeg no come carry me play for here next time. We'll not try am. Which kind of rubbish be all those ones now?
Kunle, how far now? You just dey come since morning. You go market at what time? Which time they talk? Abeg go clean that chair. Chief dey come carry am. Clean am. You no even know where rag dey. For your own workshop where you dey work. E dey there, Joe. Up. I never see this kind of person before. No be this chair, na that chair wey dey that back. You don't know Chief Oka for chair.
Good afternoon.
Hey, how you dey?
I'm fine.
Omo. I'll come chop that thing later. I go see you, I dey work now.
It's alright. Obi, don't you think you should take a rest? Sit down and rest. You've been working since morning.
Rest? I no fit rest. I can't work now. If I no work, I go chop. Plus my woman now. My woman, I will take care of her if I don't work. Thank you.
Alright, no problem.
Hey, how market?
That market is fine. It's fine.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, what's the market they go where, sha?
Yeah, thank God.
This thing, I don't know this. Wetin you measure for here? Wetin you measure for here? Wetin you measure for here?
2.6 naira measure, sir.
You no get sense. You no get sense.
Okay, the thing wey you write for the paper.
No be wetin I tell you be this, Joe. Go check am. This guy. I have to do this work again. You no get am, Joe. Go clean. Chai. This one don't waste now. Oh. You go just make person they do work 5 times. Eh? Never see your kind of person before. You don't work for me now how many years? You don't sabi anything. You go market, go buy another one. Now come out for your salary. Make your looky.
Sorry, please. I don't get money to buy another one. I beg you, please. I'm sorry, yeah.
If no be say I pity you. Eh? After working with me for how many years, you know sabi work. You sure say you clean am well?
Yes, I don't finish it.
If I go there, I see one day, what make I do for you?
Okay, everything is okay. I don't clean am.
No,
I say chief is coming. I don't.
No problem, go. You say go
Ma,
do
the other one.
go do the other one. Go do the other one, make I chop. Hey, chai. Okay, no worry. You go to school, you will go. Ha! I go work. Anything where I supposed to, I go do am. Eh? You sabi book. Nothing go stop you. God, they see my heart. You go. Everything will better. Chai. Make I use this one Uber left for now. This girl sabi cook. That girl before no sabi like this one. Take it easy. Take it easy. No scratch am. See wetin I say make you clean. Chief. Is your master?
Keki Megwan.
What do you master?
I'm very, very impressed.
Thank God. I say make I do am well for you so you go like am. So you go dey comfortable for you, Chief. You know say you be good person. Eh?
You've done just that. Don't worry. How long did it take you to do all this?
This one no take me time like that. It's only 4 days. But those ones wey I do for you the other time, because they plenty. 2 weeks. But this kind of thing, if I get better tools, go they come out fast.
I can see the hard work and passion. Have you ever thought of scaling up?
Wait. Eh? My ego adiro. But you get as things be. If I also, you know they easy. The economy no too good. Work no easy. Money no they come like that. But if say tools, the opportunity, I seize them.
That might just change. In fact, I'm connecting it to the government. See, there's a project that's about to happen. They need furniture for the estate. And now I've seen that you can deliver. So I will connect you. Your name will be mentioned.
Chief, you do that for me.
Absolutely.
Chief, dalu.
See, I like supporting local talent. So you want to support me. Don't worry. Everything will work out fine. How much is your balance?
This one na 90,000 with the balance. Then also that ones where you do the other time, 180,000. You know, just the money.
This your head. You do not forget things.
Kind of my work now.
I'm going to name 300,000. You want to kill me?
Chief, you too much. Chief, you too much.
I will be on my way. Let them call the boys. Let them carry it.
Chief. Kule.
Let me know. So,
Yeah, may you carry this thing. Chief, don't do us well.
carry it in that my jeep in the boot. Carry. Name also so I have places to go to. You have to go. I'm going to call them.
Yeah, carry on like this.
I'm coming. Obin. No.
Dalu.
How was your day?
Stressful. I don't even come to get customer like that today. They just this somehow. Don't tire.
Obin, it's okay. Me, I've already resolved that there's no money and I will not go to school. So it's okay. Let me put hot water for you to take your bath.
So Guadigi. Okay. Wiri. Mepeya.
Hey! Obin! Jeez! Obin! Where did you get to?
Where I won't see
this
him?
money?
My better work now. Where I won't see him now?
Hey!
I don't dey gather this money. Don't take. Now my osusu be this.
Hey!
630,000 naira for your school.
For my school. For my school!
Biko, manager ya.
Obin, did you say manage? Obin, this is a lot!
Not Okwa. For my woman. Forget that thing. My baby.
Hey, Obim! Easy keke man, come, maybe he's here. Hello? Okay, sir, we are coming, just wait for us. We are coming. Obim! He's here, the keke man.
Okay, read well, study well. Before you know it, 4 years don't finish. I mean, no get money, oh. I beg, eh? Hey.
Obim, I love you all the days of my life.
I know. See, we go dey talk every day. Before you sleep, you go call me, eh? And when time reach, come for holiday. Well, we dey go, abeg.
I've not stayed away from you.
I know. Me sef. But wetin we go do now? You guys go school. As me no fit go. Eh? As me I no finish. You guys go. So that when I see my friends, I go tell my friends and say, my woman, na graduate. Eh? You say you see him now. How you see him?
Thank you, Obim. You're God's gift to me.
No. Okay? Now you be my God's gift. Eh? I go miss you.
Yeah.
I go miss you. Yeah, maybe they go. Chineke na denwo, onye keruwa denwo, imela. Chineke na denwo, onye keruwa denwo, imela.
Obina, my guy! My maddest man! Hi, Davina.
I did.
I see, say they do it in they give you joy.
I do wetin dey give me money.
No be lie. How they work they go now? It's in the song.
They go well, they put her together.
My guy, how your woman now?
My woman dey
How
now.
cheta?
She don't go school. Sit down.
No be lie. No, she don't go school.
She don't go school.
School? You mean she don't go university with that?
Yes, now she don't go school now.
Hey, I happy for her.
Thank you. She's a very smart girl. She sabi book.
How she take do one now?
Wetin you mean by how she take do am?
No, now just question her. They has no verse.
Now me send am myself go school. I go meet Madam Grace. I collect all my osusu with there and I send them. Say, okay, you go graduate, go collect education.
Hey, Obina, you mean say all the money we don't receive all this time? Where I know you collect everything. Give woman. Say me she carry go school.
Wetin dey there?
Everything.
Oga, forget that thing, Jerry. Nothing dey there. If the woman get sense.
Obina, me I no fit try am o.
That one are you.
I no fit.
Me I go do it. I need to do.
I swear I no fit. Say I carry all my money give woman. make you carry go school. I don't fit try am, my guy.
Good afternoon, Obina. I'm fine.
Bola, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you dey be now?
I did fine.
That thing you just do, carry all your savings, give woman. Tomorrow now she go come trample on top your head, dey talk rubbish.
Oh God, that one are you and your woman, Jare. See, person get better woman, we get sense. That will not be big deal now. Me, my own girl get sense. But see, as she dey go school, she dey cry.
Obina,
she dey focus.
Obina, yes, Obina, I'll come back for my spoon later.
Thank you, Jare.
All right.
You don't get pepper.
Yeah, there's pepper. There's enough pepper. Enough pepper. All right. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Forget that thing. That one are you. This food now for one
Don't say
person.
na 2 spoon.
No, now for one person. Now for one
Yeah,
person.
which one be say na for
You
one
know they work carpenter work. Chief Okafor, 400,000. Nisobi Aluju, 320,000. Emeka, 45,750. Tunde, 32. 32,000 40,000. 35,000. 400,000 plus 32, 320,000. Inkem. Hello? Inkem?
Hello, honey. How are you?
Odima. How that place be? Hope say they treat you well. Hope say everything dey okay.
Yes.
Sure you don't pay for that thing where you say you won't pay for.
Yes, I'll start going for lectures as from tomorrow.
Get in a class.
I will. Have you eaten?
I don't chop.
Okay. Take good care of yourself. I love you and I miss you.
Hey. I'm from Guinea. I miss you too. Hey.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit.
After the customer finish, then you put your cat on ground.
I don't wanna go to work 'cause my boss is jerk.
Are you serious?
I tell
Oh
you.
my God. I miss this part of you.
Which part of me, miss?
The funny part, I mean, you make me laugh.
Maybe you don't miss this other part of me. I miss you well. This your school don't carry you far from me. No be so.
Portia.
Hi.
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Who is this?
Okay. I'm Portia, my boyfriend, Obina. Obim, my classmate and my seatmate, Portia.
Hi.
Hi. Enjoy, okay? I want to return my matric gown.
Oh, okay, I'll return mine when I'm done. All right. I'll see you later. Very brilliant girl. Thank you.
I'm saying you brilliant passer.
Yes, now.
Because you must carry first. You dey give first position.
You don't make a first position.
Film you. Let me to carry him.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name on. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous.
Who is the latest
I gotta make it in this life.
Obin, Tyrion, why you now? You're using all your power. Small now.
How many things reach there?
But small. Like that.
Reach there. See the place they paying you.
It's okay. It's fine like that. Thank you. Obin. Remember that lecturer now that I called you that time to complain about? No, you said I should do something. I did it too. After I did it, this man was still disturbing me. That he wants to sleep with me.
Aaron Agbaya.
I don't know. But Obin, calm down. It's okay. I've handled it now. See, I passed this course, so Yeah, it's over. It's okay, babe. Yes, it's fine. Ubin, thank you. I just want to say thank you for all your love, all your support. I would not have done this without your support.
You know, say you be person wey be say you go fly by force. And me, I just want to help you spread your wings. Now my role be that, so that you go fit fly high.
Yes, still, okay. I would not have been able to do this without you. It's your love and your support that kept me going.
You make my head this way.
Thank you. I love you. Hey, this is so nice. I can't wait for mine. Hey, Portia.
Obin, wetin dey make you shine teeth?
Hey, today is Portia's birthday. I just feel that status. She's on a vacation with her boyfriend. Yes. Obin, next week is my birthday. I hope you have not forgotten.
I go forget your birthday now. When me I don't plan say I carry you go Akanchawa bar.
Akanchawa? Is that the only place?
Akanchawa bar. Where I go buy you cold stout. And Pami and Anuchi. I been a pepper soup you want. Which one you want now? I go buy them for you. Akanchawa bar get everything. Wetin happen now? Why you squeeze face? I didn't say you go happy.
It's okay, we'll go.
Me, I did go work. I go see you later. Oh, Bim. Bye-bye, you.
Hey. Akanchawa. Pami, Anuchi.
Okay. Ogini, why you squeeze face like Sadeba?
Obina, where have you been? Hey. I've been calling you since morning, but you didn't pick up my calls.
Yeah, Iwe. See my phone. See, the battery is very low. And the second one, I don't even carry the charger. I had to go plug this one at pay charge. So you don't get as a pay. I don't tire. No customer. I don't even get shishi for hand.
Obina, do you know that I've not eaten since morning?
Makagini?
Because the gas got finished. For the past few days, eating in this house has become a big problem.
Okay, no vex. Things just get as it be, and even today, I hope say I will even see some kind of money today.
Do they hope? Obina, I will not sit here and starve while you hope.
Okay, calm down. No worry, make I just go outside. I go find something. We go chop this night. We go chop.
She just said she no gum your hand. Where are you going to get money to buy anything?
Okay, no worry. She never they tell you now. When I just walk out, I go do one or two things. Something will come out. See these things, this house, things go better. No worry, leave that thing. I promise you.
Go out and come back. Come back. You not carry money. Hello, Pasha.
Hey, Chita. I am planning an afternoon at the beach and I want you to join us. It's going to be fun.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So, when are we going?
Well, we'll be meeting at 2 p.m. Just bring your beach vibe.
Of course now. You know I'm all about the good vibes.
Just one thing, please. Do not wear that your old gown that you've had.
Come on, it's not that bad, you know.
Says who? Trust me, it is bad. It is that bad. Please leave that your fashion disasters at home, okay?
Okay, so you're saying I shouldn't come again? Because...
No, bye.
Look at them. All happy and carefree. Must be nice. Why can't I enjoy life like this? Huh? I seem to be stuck in this never-ending cycle of what? Struggling. Do I really have to keep settling for this? I mean, I know he's been there for me, but does he really understand what I want? Because it seems to be all about him and his big plans for me that never come to pass. God. No one needs to keep living like this, really. A life with no trips, no nights out, no girls' time, nothing. Maybe I'm being selfish. But is it really selfish to want more? I deserve to be happy. I deserve to feel alive, to feel like I'm living instead of just simply existing.
Chai. Likwanwa.
Obina, stop.
Eh?
Stop.
Okay. No, talk like that. I beg.
Obina, I'm tired.
Tired, Ke? No. I don't go work since now, I beg. Make I just really small for your body, I beg.
You can see I'm sleeping. I'm enjoying my sleep. Maybe tomorrow.
Camnio.
Obina, I'm fast.
Pico, Camnio.
Tomorrow. Please, tomorrow, please. Hello, Bosha.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good.
Okay.
So tell me, what is your plan for tomorrow?
No plans, so I'll just be home all day. And did I tell you tomorrow is my birthday?
Are you serious? Will you be celebrating it?
Not really. Well, it'll be nice taking me to Akanchawa Bar later in the evening.
What's that? Where is that?
It's a place known for their palm wine and bushmeat.
Gosh, Cheta. Gosh, how could you stoop so low?
Pasha, there's no money anywhere.
Says who? No, says who? Anyways, I'll talk to you later.
Good afternoon, Obina. Obina.
Bola.
Are you alright?
I did.
Are you sure?
I did. How you did?
I'm fine. Wait, I came to collect my spoon. Obina, are you sure you're fine? You look deep in thoughts and... Is everything okay?
My girl, I bet they come. And I won't surprise her.
Okay. So, why is that bothering you?
I don't know what she could like. I just get confused.
That's why you are like this. Well, if it were me, I would like perfume, like new clothes, maybe even hang out. Just take me to like place that is bubbling and music.
You sabi.
So is this small thing you're thinking about and you're like this?
Wait till man, no, you will kill her now.
It's alright. So you can just do any of that. Perfume, clothes, hang out, one of them.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Don't be like this again. I don't like it, please.
Oh, boy, make I get back to work.
Alright.
Thank you. The food sweet away.
Thank you.
Portia, what does she want again? Hello, Portia.
Are you alone?
Yes, Obina is not back.
My cousin's birthday is tomorrow, and you're invited.
Birthday. But Portia, I've never really left this house for such things.
You are not coming with those your clothes. You see those your big buluku skirts. Just come around, and I will get you something sexy to wear.
Okay.
My love, happy birthday.
It's my birthday.
Yes, and I wish you many happy years.
Thank you.
You know what's going to happen, eh? This night, we're going to a Kanchawa bar. I want to make we jolly together. You know as we do them now.
Babe, I'll be going out with Portia tonight.
Portia, what happened?
Nothing, no. She just said she wants to show me something, like a hangout or something.
Hangout? No, Lily now. We go enter there together.
Babe, it's just both of us. Me and Portia.
Umbano.
Obina, I'm not a child. I can take care of myself.
Cheta.
Obina, see, I know how much you care about me. But I need to find my own footing too. Don't worry now. I'll be back early. Smile. Do your face like that.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can
I'll give you a treat. It's your birthday. Welcome, baby girl. It's your house. Yeah, it's my place.
It's fine, no? Hey, you are living this life on this girl.
Okay, thank you.
Hey.
Thank you.
So where are we going now?
You know what? First of all, now wow. Yeah. You see this your skirt? This your skirt. I can use this to sew 7 gowns. It's too big.
In the front now. It's style.
Wow. You know what? It's your birthday. So I'm going to look for a sexy gown. I'll bring her to figure so we can. You know? We're outside tonight!
You know, I don't want my friend to come out.
My brother said fine girl. Babe, you're hot though. You know what about this girl?
What's up, guys? How you doing?
Hey, Lagos big cousin. How are you?
Good, what's up?
Cheta, this is my favorite cousin, Daniel. Daniel, Cheta, my friend.
Hi.
Hi, happy birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday. It's my birthday too. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Of course, you're a fine girl.
Shall we?
Oh, of course. Hey.
I'll be downstairs.
We are outside. Okay, bro.
This guy you can leave. Posha, what do you not like this way?
What kind of bag is this? I better drop this old woman bag. Let's go. I'll give you a smaller purse.
Thanks for coming out today. It was fun.
Yes, I'm grateful. I had so much fun.
You know, we can actually do this anytime you want. Just let me know. I would come pick you up.
Okay, let's see how it goes. Yeah.
So, let me drop you off.
Okay, let me get my things, my bag.
Sure.
Hey, God, where this girl? Eh? Where this girl?
The number you are trying to call is currently not reachable.
What can't think be this one now? What thing be this?
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm...
Thank you for the ride, Rubina.
You're welcome.
So I'll just go.
This girl won't put me for trouble. God.
Eh? Hey, do I get to see you again?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Take care. Good night.
Good night.
I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits. I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
Cheta, who be that man will drop you for outside now? Answer me now.
He's just a mere friend.
A male friend? Since when you start to keep male friends now, Cheta?
No, he's Posha's brother. He just said he wants to drop me off, so...
Where you see this dress from?
Oh, it's a birthday gift. Posha gave it to me.
Cheta, what did happen?
What?
What be all these things now?
Obim, I'm tired, I beg. Let me go in and freshen up. I'm tired, please. Obim, you make the best breakfast ever.
Dalu, in game. I will make you eat, make you fat well. So when you go for NYSC, they go no say you don't chop, you don't belly full, you fresh. No man go use food collect from my hand. They see my guest in a man now, odogu. Eat.
Obim, she won't believe this.
Okay.
I've just been posted to Akwa Ibom for my
Is he good? So na better news, oh.
Yes!
They go treat you very well. You go do okay. They go treat you well.
Hey, very beautiful place.
I'm telling you.
I can't wait to collect my call-up letter. Hey. But, Obin, how do I go? You don't have money.
Cheta, calm down. And you don't forget that this time you go to school. Shall not do it. No worry. If God did for me, and me I did for you, don't finish. I go do it. I go do it.
Thank you.
See my girl, she fine. Chai.
Thank you.
You fine well.
Thank you.
I'm like, you find more every day.
Obinna, I came to collect my plate this morning and I'm saying that you didn't even touch your food.
I know they're hungry. I know if you chop and I do like this.
No. What's the problem?
You see, I'm now. No work. My babe, they go NYSC.
Really? They've posted that. Tell me, where did they post her to?
They don't post her go Akwa Ibom now.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So, what is the problem?
Now, money we are going to send that go now. Why won't see money we are going to send that go? No work since morning now. You say everything.
Okay, how much are you looking for?
If I see maybe 100 or 150, at least I go fit do my duty as a man.
Okay, I'll borrow you the money.
You borrow the money?
Yes, I'll borrow you the money.
Thank you.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Please, can you eat now?
I go chop. No, when my customer come carry all these items, I go pay you back.
It's fine. Please. Please.
Thank you.
Please.
You too much.
Hello, Portia.
Cheta! Cheta, you won't believe it. I got my posting and I'm going to Akwa Ibom.
No way. I was posted there too.
Seriously?
Yes.
So we're going to have the best time together.
Yes, oh my God. What are the odds?
But hold on, promise me you won't show up to orientation wearing those your gigantic skirts.
That gown has seen me through epic moments, Portia.
Epic is one word. I don't want you to come wearing those your big, I beg. Please, I don't want that.
Hey, I mean, it's comfortable and I like to think of it as my signature style.
Sure, darling. It's a signature style, right? Please don't look like an old cotton when coming to Akwa Ibom. Please, I beg of you, throw those your fantastic skirts away. Bomb them.
I've heard you, Portia. See you soon, fashionista.
No gown at orientation. Good girl.
This girl has bad mouth, Sha.
Okay.
Welcome.
Dalu.
Welcome. How was work?
Oh, stressful.
Okay.
Really?
Obi. What is this money for?
For your NYC now.
Thank you. Obim, you always know how to make me happy. Thank you. Hey, Obim, you know what? Come and freshen up. Let me show you something this night. Thank you.
Not reachable. Please try again.
Today, Gugumo. Hey, hey.
I tell you, say make you try calm down. Calm down.
Why you go tell me make I calm down at a time like this? And I say person don't go a Akwa Ibom since morning. I never hear from man. They go like nobody know where they go. Yes, what did they worry you?
See, I understand say they worry you. But the way they go like this, you fit get high blood pressure.
You better make I get blood pressure. I go call person 20 times. Person no go pick. What can you be this one now? What did they happen?
But Obinna, you still need to calm down.
Wait.
Simple. You need to
Person
calm
they
down.
come. Person they come. Hello. Ikem, I don't call you this morning. Why you go do me like this? You won't give me BP. Eh? You know Akwa Ibom. You know Akwa Ibom. Hey, mama, you don't calm down. Ikem, don't make me fear. Oh, say you dey okay.
Obinna, mommy, I dey go. I don't dey go.
She dey okay. Thank you. She dey okay.
Oh, yeah, na Bola.
Yeah,
take care.
All right.
Thank you. I dey miss you die. Oh, you don't too tey now. 6 months and you never even branch out sef come visit. Una no dey go on break. Hey, I dey come see you abeg. No. I need to tell you first before I come now. At least pick my call. Hey. Wetin you dey try tell me? Eh?
Obinna, my guy, calm down.
How you go tell me I calm down? Eh? I say I hold person picture for hand. I sit down for room. Picture just fall on your own. How you go tell me make I calm down?
Listen to me. Wait, make you try listen to me now. What do you think say be the problem now? As the picture fall for ground, what do you think say?
How I won't take know wetin be the problem? Shey I be Dibia? Eh? I said I only call person for 3 months. You no pick my call.
Omo Obinna, e be like say something dey wrong o. You know, think say you suppose go see am for where she dey. I think you should go and see her where she is.
This guy, I say I don't dey call person no pick. I won't take go see the person.
But calm down. Dey listen to me when I dey talk na. You don call am, yes. Number no go. Abi number go. The number no go now. So wetin be the next step? Na to go see am where she dey. Why dey talk like this? No be your woman again.
Oh yeah, make I dey go now. What's the time now? Make I know if I fit go today.
Can check time. Na after 9 now.
Oh yeah, make I dey go see her. Time still dey. If I enter her road now, I go reach Akwa Ibom.
But you know where she did do her primary assignment?
See this guy. I sabi her now. She don't take my right hand down. Bro, make I change my clothes.
You sure, Obinna? Oh yeah, na no yawa.
Hey. Chai. Aga me chile mbebim. Hey, I don't reach Akwa Ibom. The place far away. Chai.
I never see her, but I did the secretariat. No worry. When I see her, I will call you now. All of us will follow her talk. All right. Take care. Hey.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay. How you doing?
Fine, doing well.
I think I find Cheta.
Cheta. How is she like?
Chetachi.
We have numerous Chetachi, so I don't know the specific one you're talking about.
This one fine. She fair well. She yellow. They half caste. Oyibo.
That description is not enough, sir. Maybe you can go outside and check weight and...
I don't call her. She was like secretariat with this.
Yes, secretariat.
Voila. So I did outside.
Okay, sir.
If you see her anywhere, just let me know.
Okay, sir.
Take care.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Hope you had fun.
So much fun. So, when do I see you again?
Whenever you want to see me, I'm free.
Oh, I like the sound of that. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Do take care.
Sure, call me.
Yeah, I'll call you.
You too.
Take care.
Bye. We had so much fun. Oh, this place is very slippery.
Cheta!
Is this not your... Gosh, what is he wearing? Why is he here?
Mr. Man, who is your came?
He came down me, help him.
Please, I don't know you.
What did you happen? Talk to me, what did you happen? Everything.
Do I know you? I don't know who you are.
I mean, something for you.
Just get your filthy hands off me. What is wrong with you? Huh? For starters, I do not know you. Do I look like someone in your class? What is wrong with him? Rubbish. You mean to touch me?
I don't understand. What's he doing?
Do I know? Okay. About that, all right? I'm going to change my number. So if you knew me in the past like you claim, it was all a big mistake. Mr. Man, I don't know you. I am not in your class. Don't ever come here to look for me again. Engrave that into your skull. Please, let's get out of here. And better go and burn this nonsense you're wearing. Rubbish.
This guy's serious.
Hi.
Thank you. Dalu. He came down me, help him.
Please, I don't know you.
What did you happen? Talk to me, what did you happen? Everything.
Do I know you? I don't know who you are.
I mean, something for her.
Just get your filthy hands off me. What is wrong with you? Huh? I'm going to change my number. So if you knew me in the past like you claim, it was all a big mistake. Mr. Man, I don't know you. I am not in your class. Don't ever come here to look for me again.
Cheta, don't finish me. Ikema Agula. I don't die. Cheta, don't kill me. Cheta, don't kill me. Hold on, finish. Finish. Abeg, no vex. Abeg. Abeg, I dey find Aka Road.
Aka Road. She na Aka Road, I mean na Aka Road.
Which one dey around this area?
Na Aka be this.
Okay, abeg. That one. Where is it again?
Na this road be Aka Road.
Okay. Which? I dey find number 15.
Number 15. It has to be this one. This one.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank God I'm not lost. Thank God.
Mama Onome, please, how much is pence? Pence for beans, the brown beans. 5. I'll come to the market tomorrow. You give me for 11,000. Okay. No, things are so expensive. Okay. Let me buy 7,000. Then half bag of rice. Let me just buy this half bag of rice. I'll buy half bag of rice. Can cost like 30k. No.
Thank God.
Groundnut oil. The way things are expensive, it's not as if I'm making my money back. These people, they will buy, they will not pay. Groundnut oil. Hello, Obi.
Hello, Bola. Abeg, no vex say I call you like this.
This one that your voice is like this, I hope you're alright.
I no fit talk where I dey like this, abeg. But you fit lend me like 30,000 naira, abeg. I go pay you back when I come back. I dey stranded. I no fit come back where I dey.
Okay, I will send it now.
All right. You still get on my account, Abi?
Yeah, sure. I have it.
Thank you very much. Oh, God will bless this girl. God.
Hope it's all right.
Obina, so you mean saying that Cheta do this and give you?
Bro, you want me, oh. You want me.
Kai, I don't tell you these things, says. I don't tell you, say, this girl, you get as she be. She just be like slow poison. She just, bro.
Guy, I don't see girls with say that their man trained them. I think say you came on go different. I think say all go different.
Yeah, true. What you're saying is true. But the thing is, when you're good, you are good. And when you are bad, then you are bad. You just need to take heart.
See, my guy, waiting don't happen. You understand? You don't get anything where any of us will do. You get, but you're not a better person. Now, my guy, you be, I know you. You be better person. You understand? Only small thing you just need to spark like this.
Where was his spark?
God will do it, Obina. We can even buy spark. Eh?
Hello? Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please, sit down. How may I help you, sir?
You're sleeping. What's the problem? Why are you sleeping?
I need to sleep well for night. I don't tire.
Oh, well, at least what she has done. 6.
Cheers. That one is espresso.
Well, I was told that you are good at delivering express work. That's why I'm here.
I can do it. I go fit one.
Can do it?
Yes, sir.
I need it by weekend.
No problem. I will do one.
You'll do it?
Yes, sir.
How much is it?
6 chairs, Abi. That one 50,000.
Are you okay?
Eh?
What can 50,000 do with 6 chairs?
Hey, sir. I beg, no verse. I beg, no verse. Now sleep. 6 chairs. That one 350,000.
350,000?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure.
Okay. Like I told you, I need it by weekend. Here is 270,000 naira. Balance you up when I come to collect it, okay?
I will do it.
Okay.
Obina. Obina.
Waiting now.
Which one is waiting? No, which one is waiting? Are you supposed to be sleeping by this time of the day?
Oh my God! Allow me make a sleep now.
Obina, why did you leave that money there like that?
But for one of my customers, always make I do some chairs for him before weekend.
Before weekend?
I need to do them.
Why are you not doing it? Why have you not started?
My body no just. I no fit. What did you try to do?
I want to start the work now since you want to be sleeping. Maybe I should help you and start cutting the wood or start hammering. Wait for what? Wait!
Sorry.
Oh, you have seen all your costs now. You see what?
No verse. Say you know they pay you too much.
Pay me. Say you have seen the rubbish that you've cost now. Well, if you want me to forgive you, start the work.
You're telling me to make see the rubbish you have caused now.
She no paying.
I beg. That's the work. If not, I will not talk to you again.
See me, I go do this work like this. Omo, make the man come collect money by weekend, Jerry. I don't get time.
Boy, you see what Arsenal plays? Arsenal are stupid club. Something we say I bet my money on top. I bet money. Come on, this thing, they no fit give 1.5. Then they no fit give 1.5.
Obina, where's my chair? I don't see anything here.
Oga, welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
See, I don't feel like for you. I don't do am. But body no carry me do am. Na the truth be that. Na the truth be that.
Body no carry you on my chair. That's a breach of contract.
You know to go happen now. But just go bring your money. I will give you so that you go give another carpenter. I don't feel do am. I don't feel like for your guy.
You go and bring my money. I'll give it to me. You know where I am? I will deal with you.
Oga, you never reach that level now. Which one be say who you be, sir? We not sign any agreement. How much be money, sir?
270,000.
270,000. Don't follow your money they go now. You don't pass.
Okay, you have to do my job. I give you 270,000 to do a job for me. You didn't do it. I am trying to back the money from me. What is your problem?
Oga, carry your money.
Okay, don't worry. I'm coming back. I'm going to deal with you. I will deal with you.
You can't go so much in the head like this. I don't understand. Obina, you no fit dey sulk like this forever now. Why you dey do like this? Na just 2 weeks wey this girl, just one girl, now you dey do like say na the who or na you
my
crash on
girl,
top
you dey call one girl. Sheta, Nkem, the girl where I love, why I give everything for, that they call one girl. See, you say till today, never even still believe wetin happen, never even still understand that it happen.
Na
why she go do me like wetin I do for her, why she go do me like this? Hi, woman.
Hey, Bola, welcome. Bola.
I hope you enjoyed it.
You say enjoy. Now that statement now, I over enjoy am.
So
Come on. Thank you very much. Say you add my belly joint.
You're welcome. I just thought about it. Let me add one more plate. Yes.
That's so nice of you. Thank you very much.
Obina, did you enjoy the food?
Omo, I enjoy the food. You know say I dey enjoy your food.
Why not see your face like this?
Hey, Bola, no verse. Bola, no verse.
Arrest him.
Sir, arrest.
Hey, Rizama! You're under arrest.
Bola, see, I know get words where I go use take thank you. We come on from this quanta, I really appreciate you.
Obina, I almost lost a foot because of that work. And you ended up not doing it.
I don't feel do that work. I don't feel do it. Like my body don't feel
For
do
God's sake, Obina, you can't do it. Are you going to let this whole betrayal thing eat you alive?
You don't feel understand.
Okay,
What do you want me to understand? Obinna, do you even look at yourself? Do you even use your mirror? Obinna, look at you. You're looking pale and unkept. And all you do is channel one energy that she doesn't even deserve.
See. Just leave this matter. Don't talk about her. I will be okay. Just leave her.
Okay, it's fine. But I want you to know this. You cannot bury your face in sand forever, Obinna. You need to wake up. And as a matter of fact, I can say that you don't want my friendship. Yes, I want to help you, but it's obvious you don't need my help. So I would just like be to myself and be on my lane. So please, all right? Good night.
Hola. Bola! How far now?
I'm fine. I brought your food.
Hey, thank you.
When did you make this?
Now today, what you going to do?
Today? Not so fast.
Work day. Man must work. Thank you. Onga don't wire me where today.
Yeah.
I don't wait for you since morning.
Anyways, I'll come back for my plates later, right?
Bola, wait first. Wait. Sit down. See, I don't thank you. As you keep me company, I appreciate. Now you help me get myself back all this time. Eh? And of course for the food too.
It's alright. I just want you to know that whenever you want to talk to anybody or you need a shoulder to lean on, I'll always be here, right?
Thank you.
Alright, I'll come back for my plates.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
The food sweet there. Chief. Chief. Good evening, Chief.
Yes, good evening, Obinna. I have something very important for you.
Chief, talk to me, Chief. Talk to me.
See, it's a contract worth millions of naira.
Hey, Chief, no lie.
The government, they have finished building that housing estate I told you about. And you have earned it, okay? So, you think? Wait now. It's a contract. See for yourself.
Jesus. Chief! Hey, Chief!
See, it's a contract worth millions. Okay?
Chief, Not true. Chief, thank you.
Your craftsmanship is exceptional, and I believe you can deliver.
Chief, thank you.
You know what? See me in my office Monday.
I'm there, Chief. Dalu, I'm there tomorrow.
So what wrong?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you,
I am
Chief.
fine.
Chineke,
Okay.
idima. Ule. Imela oyoma. Imela, hey. Imela okaka. Imela Chineke. Sugar.
This one you are singing like this and packing already. What's going on? Why are you this excited?
Imela okaka. Imela Chineke. Imela oyoma. Imela.
Serious? Are you serious? Oh my God! Thank God! Are you serious?
We don't define sins. Go
I'm
don't
so
bring that to
happy
me.
for you.
Thank you.
All right, let's go home. I'll help you pack.
What do you go cook for me this night?
Just name it. Okay.
You can just name it.
Just name it.
That's my favorite soup, man.
Right.
Come inside. Enter.
Your place is very nice.
You mean now? They okay. I like how way. I don't know how many years. But hopefully, I go feel come out. Go a bigger place soon.
Amen. Amen. It's so nice and this looks very fine and very... I like it. Where did you get it?
Paula, I don't know how they take into this thing, but I beg. Just a year, man. Just a year me they go. You know, as sometimes some kind jewel go dey your front, but you no go see am. But I just thank God, say over time the light they shine enter my eye. They shine small. So my eye they open for they see am, and God make me see am. Say God give me this jewel. What I'm not supposed to play with. Eh? I like you very well. Hey, you are the sugar in my tea.
Okay, stop it, please.
I didn't play.
Stop it.
So the thing is, I love you very much. And I appreciate you as they stand by me. As you always put a smile on my face. As you always make me feel good. They feed me. They take care of me. I want they chop you. Small. Look at they chop you. Small. Like that. Eh? I beg. Marry me.
Alright, say no more. Yes, I will.
And this is my game to play to claim a brand new name. Oh.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Everything up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at.
Send them to my branch for a new book. I'll come check out personally myself. I beg, come inside. Hope say no problem with the goods. I go check out personally, not if you do am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, I beg, sit down.
Thank you.
Not if you do am, me not if you do am. I think I'll beg you. Alright, thank you.
Obina.
Cheta, what's she find for you?
Obina. My boss sent me to come and purchase some furniture in this showroom. Obina, do you own this showroom? Are you married?
Hi, honey.
My love.
I brought you lunch.
How was
I'm fine. I gave you lipstick.
It's okay. You know, my favorite is this now.
Exactly.
I trust you.
I added pepper. A lot of pepper to that.
I trust you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know you had a client.
You don't forget Cheta. That my ex, we try to break my the other day.
Eh? Oh, Cheta, how are you? But obviously not fine.
How body? How the appointment go with the doctor? Hope say everything okay.
I'm okay. Doctor just said I need to eat more fruit. I told you, get me watermelon, more fruit.
That will be the problem. I will buy fruit for you.
And also, he said my legs needs to be massaged.
I go massage jam. No worry. Okay, forget this one.
And let me get you water so you can just
sit down for my chair. Make I go get you water.
Are you serious?
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?